Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to jump right in and show you how I created everything for my Galentine's Day gathering, starting with the sip and celebrate sign to greet my friends into my dining area. And on that table I also have some fresh florals there. And this is the setup that I have. My buffet table on the back and a round table on the front. And I am using a lot of thrifted items like these plates, using those to start service with. And I'm also going to use a lot of DIYs in this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration as we go along. And now as I start setting my table, I am using some Dollar Tree organizers. They're clear to add the Sweets by NIKKISWEETBAG. They are so beautiful and so pretty, and it's almost a shame to eat them, but they did. And they are delicious. And she did such a wonderful job with that. Now I'm adding some sandwiches to a tiered tray on a table that's elevated. That tiered tray, I think I thrifted at about a year ago. Just absolutely gorgeous on that. And I actually made that tiered tray right there with the cup on top and added a couple of fresh blooms in there too, just to give the nice touch to this table for my guests. My pink glassware I picked up from Ross, and I have that on the risers as well, and it just looks like it's floating there. Now in the middle of the table I have a DIY that I use with a thrifted blanket to turn that into a pillow, and I positioned that right in the middle of the letters for Mimi. I use a thrifted crystal napkin holder to add my napkins, and then my flatware is gold, which goes along with the rest of the gold accents on the table. And I have fresh raspberries in a thrifted glass dessert bowl, and now I am ready to start setting up the mimosa station on the side of the table. And now that everything is all set up and ready, I would say it's probably easier to say the things that I did not thrift, because just about everything on this table is a thrifted item or something that I've had in my inventory. And this DIY I created as well, beautiful pink roses for a wall hanging. So I hope that this gives you some inspiration as you decorate for the upcoming Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day gathering for you and your friends. Now let's move on to the next part of this video, and that is with this gorgeous garland that I created. I did a video on that and I will be posting that very soon. So please subscribe to my channel and come back and watch this beautiful DIY. The backdrop has balloon columns on each side that were designed by SHEISCREATIVECHIC, a local balloon designer here in Indianapolis. I have a fuchsia color rug on the floor, and I used that in a video about a couple years ago for a Barbie video. And the streamers, I did get those off of Amazon, and behind those I have a white curtain that's hanging in the back, and then we go right on up to the garland with the hearts on. The colors are just so vibrant and so perfect for this Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day gathering that I have here. And now I would just want to ask a question. Is anyone ready to take pictures? I think I am. So we're going to take some pictures and I'm going to show them to you with some of the ladies that I had the pleasure of spending the afternoon with. It turned quickly into a networking opportunity and highlighting and showcasing our work throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching. And please support the local vendors, Nikki's Sweet Bag and She Is Creative Chic, both on Instagram. And whatever you do and wherever you go, Be blessed.